Key Stage 4-5, welcome to this week's assembly. Happy New Year everyone. I hope you all had a decent break, although I know many of you are revising for your exams. My sympathies go out to those of you who weren't with their loved ones and their close friends. Unfortunately, my two sons couldn't make it out here. Their flights were cancelled at the last minute. But I was very fortunate to go adventuring and travelling around this beautiful country, Saudi Arabia, and rekindle my love for camping. We had great fun. The people were so lovely and friendly and so hospitable. So that was really nice. I think Saudi has done an excellent job in keeping us safe during COVID, and next week we should hear an announcement about schools reopening. But whatever that announcement is, we will continue to have you in for assessments and for some practical work. The priority though will go as soon as possible to Year 10 because we haven't seen you guys for such a long time. So what's new? The schedule has been updated and we're very happy to offer Year 12 and 13 extra sessions to prepare them for the upcoming examinations. Year 11 had an informative A-level IB evening this week, so thank you for participating in that. I hope that helped you make the decision for your choices, and you can submit your questionnaires by the end of today. And don't worry, because if you change your mind, the choices are not binding. It just really helps Mrs. Homsey to make those option blocks so that we can meet the choices that students would like. Year 12 and 13 science students, as I mentioned earlier, have been doing their exams, their external examinations, and I just wish to thank you all for being so responsible, for being on time, for taking the COVID safety precautions seriously, and for being so prepared. Mr. Monaghan will be so proud of you all. A few students took examinations in October as well with us here, and I'd like to give a big shout out to Mazan Shoaib for gaining an A grade in his Cambridge A-level examinations. Congratulations, Mazan. It's so important that we keep being brave and optimistic right now. The upcoming Chinese New Year is the Year of the Ox, known for its strength, its persistence, and its determination. So we know this year is going to be a bit messy and challenging, but we're going to continue working together, you, your teachers, and your parents. And so we all just need to be very strong and brave during this time. Talking of perseverance and strength, here's a New Year's message from our student leaders. And remember, these student leaders are representing you. They're your voice. So if you have any suggestions how we can do things better, please contact them. They are your voice. So have another great term. I can't wait to see you all again and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy New Year, everyone. So first of all, my New Year's resolution is probably to try and be more grateful this year. If we've learned anything from the past year, it's that being grateful is very important and we should be thankful for everything that we have because we never know when it might be taken away. But yeah, hopefully we get back into school soon, but if not, we're still gonna make the most of it. You know, you gotta make the most of what you have. And the other thing that I wanted to mention is obviously as head students, student voice, we're here for you guys. So if you have any questions, concerns, feedback in general, just email any of us head students or you can talk to your student voice representatives. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I hope everyone has a really great 2021 and hopefully we start school soon. So yeah, bye.
Happy New Year. I hope you guys are healthy and happy. So for my New Year's resolution, I'm going to be doing a walk outside because it's good to exercise and take a break once in a while. Yeah.
Thank you.
Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope all the family is good. And I hope that this year we will be back and stronger for all of us to be working way well. This year, my New Year's resolution is to be more up to date with my classes and studies, so I could get the most out of them and for the best results in the future.
Happy New Year, everyone. My New Year's resolution is to try new stuff and be more active, because right now, because of COVID and virtual school, I'm like dead inside. So yeah, my New Year's resolution is just to be more active and try new stuff. And yeah, thanks.